I'm Christian. This is our van, Walter the Warthog. He's a 2.8 liter turbo diesel Mitsubishi Delica Space Gear Exceed trim level, 1996. Four-wheel drive, minivan body, and our build out inside of it is 90% of the way done. And we want to show you some of the cool systems that we're about to bury with a bunch of clothes and a mattress and some other stuff. Our build out kind of starts with the awning on the outside because most of our living space is outside of the van. But inside of the van, we have a small cabin, half of which is the captain's seat that has a custom rotating base. So one person can be on the bed and the other person can be in the passenger seat. We've got our Dometic CFX 335 liter fridge. We went small because we don't have much space. We've got our control surfaces, Renogy monitoring for our batteries and our charge controller, Webasto thermostat for our Webasto heater. All the wiring of which can be accessed underneath the fridge. And inside, for more creature comforts, we've got our Scirocco 2 fan that can be adjusted in a whole bunch of positions to kind of blow air over us while we're sleeping, because ventilation is super important, and to exhaust hot air, or to bring cool air in, but usually to exhaust hot air, we've got our Max fan. The van build is kind of centered around the bed platform. One of our must-haves was to have the bed made at all times. We don't like beds that we have to fold out or roll out. So everything's built off the bed platform that's built out of 1.5 inch lumber and then 1/2 inch plywood. We've got a vertical storage over here. This is for all of our clothing up top and clothing down low. And then I think the majority of like our toiletries and sundries and stuff like that are gonna get strapped to the top up here. And then we've got a couple of little storage spots back there where our heads will be, I think, kind of for almost like a bedside table kind of storage with the ability to charge phones and devices, so on and so forth. Underneath the mattress are 2 compartments to access storage. One compartment here, and then a hideaway cubby inside. Our custom 9-gallon water tank, and a handful of bungees here so we can stuff stuff here.
Our kitchen is through the back hatch. And one of the features of the bed that we really wanted to do was make it lift up so that we had a day bed. So this goes up, and then we wanted to utilize every bit of storage we could. So we put bases on these so that we can store utensils, knives, dishes, other semi-flat items for the kitchen. And then our kitchen is a slide-out drawer. It slides 2/3 of the way out. We have a reach down pantry here that you can access from here. And then we have a forward cubby as well as our stove top. And this will also serve as preparation area. And then our favorite feature back here is our water faucet, which is a marine water faucet that has a standard hose hookup. And that gives us water on demand.